Good morning students. Today's video will be continuing radians. Some more sums on radians lesson. I didn't cover all different types of sums in radians. So let us see more types. So look at this question now. The diagram shows a sector EOG of a circle. Do you see EOG? Yes, EOG of a circle with center O. Here is the center. And radius r centimeter means this is r, even this is also radius, that is also r. The line GF is a tangent to the circle at G. It's a tangent, so angle between tangent and radius will be 90. And E is the midpoint of OF. For OF, E is the midpoint means if this is r, even this should also be r because E is the midpoint. I am just reading the question so far. Let us continue. The perimeter of shaded region is P. So this perimeter is P, show that P equal to this much. So if I want to find the perimeter of shaded region, what all do I need to add? I need to add GF plus EF plus arc GE. Arc length GE. Do I have GF? I don't have, but I can find out. How? For finding GF, what can I use? It's a right angle triangle. Till here is R and this entire thing becomes 2R. So here it is R square plus GF square equal to 2R whole square by applying Pythagoras. So it becomes 4R square. And here R square plus GF square. So GF square equal to, send R square that side, 3R square. So GF equal to square root 3R. Square root and square gets cancelled, so no square root on R. Square root will be remain only on 3. So here GF is nothing but root 3R. And EF is also R plus arc length GE. To get arc length GE, write like this, GE, arc length, equal to, formula is r theta. R remains like that, theta I need to find. Theta is this angle. So to find out that angle, what all do I know in this triangle? This is adjacent to that angle and this entire thing is hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse I take cos theta. So cos theta equal to r by 2r. R gets cancelled, theta equal to cos inverse half. So which is pi in radians I need. So place your calculator in radians. Here it is cos 60 means pi by 3 it is. So place it here, pi by 3. We got GE also, place it here, r into pi by 3. He took r by 3 common. Okay, so take r by root 3 can be written as r into 3 by root 3 plus here r I can write 3r by 3. This gets cancelled, I get r itself. Fair enough. Now if I take r by 3 common, now here I want 3, right? So let us just multiply here also 3 and 3. So it becomes 3 root 3 by r by, it becomes 3 root 3 r by 3 plus the same thing. R by 3 is taken out, so left out is 3 root 3 plus r by 3 is gone out, so plus is 3. R by 3 is gone out, only pi is left. That is what he is asking you to show. Am I clear? This is how we need to do. Now look at B1. The area of the shaded region is A. Show that the area equal to r square by 6 into 3 root 3 minus pi. How do I get this shaded region area? Yeah, it's easy, right? Area of shaded equal to area of triangle. From the bigger triangle, if I remove area of sector, I get area of shaded region. Yeah, it's easy. So area of triangle is half base into height. What is the base GF? This entire thing is the base which is root 3 r we found in here, and height is r minus area of sector is half r square theta. So r square theta is pi by 3. He took r square by 6 common. I want 6. So what do I do? Root 3 by 2 r square is there minus r square pi by 6. I can take r square by 6 common here. Here also I want 6. So I multiply, divide by 3. So now r square by 6 is common taken out. That means this has come out. Left out is 3 root 3. Here r square by 6 has come out. Left out is pi. This is what he is asking you to show. Depending on what he is asking, I am multiplying and dividing. Even if you take LCM, it doesn't make any difference. But this I feel easier. Am I clear? Practice this sum one more time. Now look at next sum. The diagram shows two circles with radius r centimeters. Both circles have got same radius r. The center of each circle lies on the circumference of other circle. That means center of this circle is here and center of this circle is this one. Am I clear? Okay. Find in terms of r the exact area of shaded region. This area is shaded. How do you get this area? Okay. Now if I draw these circles one more time, here is the center. I am joining it to this one. This line is r. Even if I join it to this is also r. And this is a triangle. I want to get this area first. Why? See here. Now one more diagram if I draw it. Earlier I took this center. Now if I take this center and I join it like this. If I add these two areas, will that be equal to the entire area? Isn't it? Did you understand? Look at one more time. From here I am drawing two lines and I find out this area. Clear? Now on the other circle also I am doing the same thing and I draw a line. This area, what am I saying is this area plus this area will give me the entire area between the two circles. If you understand this, the sum is easy. Just understand that one point. Area, this area plus this area will give me the entire area. Am I clear? To understand furthermore, let us say I divided it like this. Yeah, I have drawn a line. This area plus this area is the entire area. How do I get this area first? From this, if I remove this from the entire sector, if I remove the triangle, I will get this area. Same way from the other circle then. From the entire sector, if I remove this triangle, I will get this segment. This plus this will give me this entire area. Is it clear? If you have understood that, it's easy. So let me write now. So area of shaded region equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Both these areas will be same. This side of the line and this side of the line, both the areas will be same because the radius is same. So instead of doing it one more time and adding, I directly place it here 2. So now it is 2 times of area of sector. What is the formula? Half r square theta minus area of triangle, half r square sine theta. Now what can I take common? Half can be taken common, r square also can be taken common. So it becomes theta minus sine theta. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, it is r square. Now the difficulty arises here is how much is the angle. I want to find out this angle, which will be how much is what I need to find. Any idea? In grade 10th we have learnt it. Assume here. In grade 10th you have learnt. It's like this. If here it is x, where will I get double of it? To understand the angle, look at this diagram. It's similar to this one. Now, if here it is x, where will I get 2x? This entire thing will be 2x. In grade 10th, you have learned angle on the circumference will be half of the angle at the center, or else angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. So if here it is x, here also 2x. Here it is x, here also it will be x, because both the circles have the same radius. Now 2x plus x should be equal to how much? 360. In this case, in radians I need, so 2 pi. So 3x equal to 2 pi, so x equal to 2 pi by 3. This is the angle. Am I clear? Now the angle I will place it here. So in place of theta, 2 pi by 3 minus sine of 2 pi by 3. So that will become r square into 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2 is my area of shaded region. Am I clear? If you get this idea, draw a line here, then join it. This area plus this area will be the entire shaded region. So I did twice. And to get the angle over here and angle over here are same. Both are x. If here it is x, it's double the angle will be over here, 2x. So 2x plus x, 3x equal to 2 pi. From that I got the value of x, which is theta. I replaced it here and got the answer. Is it clear?